What's up with it? Back at it again for all you bald-headed thirsty hoes. My client purchased some bundles on my website, and once again I had another client that purchased 2 bundles only, and it did a full blown weave installment with only just 2 of my Beauty of Royalty bundles. Okay, and what I love about my bundles is when you purchase them, you might not think it's gonna be full enough for what you are trying to achieve, but my bundles are flawless. Okay, I can't wait for you guys to see the turnout of this sew-in. It looked so natural, so beautiful, and when I tell you, her mom had to pull up and get out the car to come and give me a hug because she was so grateful and thankful of the first weave installment her daughter has ever received for the very first time, and it looks very natural. Okay, so I'm gonna say it once again: if you are looking for some bundles or a weave installment and you are here in Las Vegas, can't find a reliable stylist, I advise you guys to click the link in the bio, purchase you some bundles, and come check your girl out. Okay, I did tell my client that I would require her to get the wig cap put on. If she's going for a more natural flat look, I would suggest you use a wig cap. Okay, these are the bundles she purchased from me. She did use the loose wave collection, and she only purchased 2 bundles of the 18 inches only, and the hair is so beautiful. Okay, now my client do not have a relaxer, so I'm going to try to blend her natural state of hair into the hair that she purchased from me today. We want it to look very natural as possible, and this is the outcome, ladies. When I say it gave coming out the scalp, it gave coming out the scalp. If you are looking for some bundles and you're located here in Las Vegas, I advise you guys to come and check me out. Order you some bundles. The link is in the bio. Book with your girl today.